Wheels are among the most popular replacements on classic car restorations. Whether you're converting from a standard Chevelle or just replacing your old original caps, Original Parts Group has you covered. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1969 and 70s Chevelle and El Camino Super Sport center cap kits. Every kit includes 2 screws, the wheel cap, and retainer. It's enough to cover 1 wheel, so we recommend that you purchase 4 kits if you need to replace all 4 caps. Our caps are made from die-cast zinc and chrome plated just like the originals. At the end of the production, wheel caps are finished with the iconic SS logo and acrylic coating for protection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.